Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will share with you a very easy and refreshing summer drink. Please stay with us till end. Thank you so much. To make this, I just only need these three ingredients. Lots of mints, 1 lemon, and any kind of white type of beverage like a 7 Up, Sprite, whatever you have, you can use it. Okay, I am preparing for blending. I will use a half cup of this white beverage. I am using 7 Up. You can use whatever you want. Okay, blending is done. I am separating mint dust by this. You can serve as I am doing with lemon and lots of ice. Now I will add the mixture of mint and beverage. I will add more 7 Up. You can decorate as you wish. I hope you will guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with us and please subscribe us. Your subscription is really meant to me. Bon appetit.